Hi, welcome to Belly Timber House. Today, I am going to show you how to make Domino style zingy parcel with harissa sauce. We can make the dough with or without the yeast. I will be showing you without the yeast method. So let's begin with the dough. Take 1/4 cup of plain curd or yogurt in a bowl and add half cup of all-purpose flour to it. You can also use whole wheat flour if you want. Now add half teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of salt to it. Now mix it well and make a dough. If required, add 1 tablespoon of water and make a smooth dough. From this dough, we are going to make 5 zingy parcels. If you want more, you can increase the quantity in proportion. Now let the dough rest for 10 to 15 minutes. Now let's prepare harissa sauce. Harissa sauce is basically a cumin based sauce. So we will take 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds or jeera, half teaspoon of coriander seeds or sabut dhania, half teaspoon of carom seeds or ajwain in a pan and dry roast for 15 to 20 seconds. Now turn off the flame and add 1 pinch of turmeric or haldi, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder or lal mirch and mix well. Now take all the spices in a grinder and add 5 teaspoon of mayonnaise to it and grind them well into a smooth paste. Our harissa sauce is ready now. Let's prepare the stuffing. Take 1 teaspoon of butter in a pan. You can use salted or unsalted butter, it's up to you. Now add half teaspoon of garlic paste or minced garlic to it and stir well for 10 to 15 seconds. Now add 2 tablespoons of harissa sauce and stir for 10 seconds. Now add 1 cup of small paneer cubes or cottage cheese to it and stir well. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of dry fenugreek leaves or kasuri methi and 1/4 teaspoon of oregano. These 2 ingredients are completely optional. Now stir for 15 to 20 seconds and stuffing is ready. Now let the stuffing cool down and make the base of zingies. Put some flour on your bench and knead the dough for about a minute or so. Now cut the dough into 5 equal parts and roll each part and make a ball. Now flatten each ball using rolling pin. Now fold the edges making a triangular shape. Now spread half teaspoon of harissa sauce on each of them and put the stuffing. Now apply some water on each corner. The reason behind applying the water is when we bake the flour puffs. So if we don't apply water, the corners will fall apart and the stuffing will come out. So water prevents the corner to not get dried and keep them together. Now join all these 3 corners together. Now keep these on a greased baking tray and brush them with some butter. Keep them in a preheated oven for 15 to 20 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius until they become slightly brown in color. Our zingy parcels are perfectly baked now. You can see that the butter has oozed out, so we will again brush them with the same butter. Enjoy these zingy parcels and do let me know if you have any doubt about it. If you are new to my channel and if you haven't subscribed it yet, do it now and hit the bell icon for more updates. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for my upcoming jeera biscuit recipe.